What do you want?
How can you seek a relief to get the warrant cancelled and without affording an opportunity?
I think this order is in your favor.
Yes, but
Cancellation of arrest warrant is in your favor because he has appeared and previously you were searching him.
I was appearing in person. There was no lawyer needed. Now my arrears stand at 12,75,000. He hasn't deposited. Now he has appeared before the court on 25th February.
He is appearing through advocate. This is arising out of maintenance proceeding.
Maintenance in the Domestic Violence Act.
Domestic violence. Suppose he doesn't deposit the amount
Yes.
of maintenance,
Yes.
then the proceeding which he has initiated can be.
That is what I have put in application. Now that JMFC.
But here what we can do? जी मैडम बताइए.
Your Lordship, this is an appeal. I would start from the order dated 4/3/16, which was the domestic violence order under section 20 of maintenance, which is annexure number P1 on page 23, Your Lordships.
Which is the impugned order, page number of the impugned.
No, impugned order is different. I'll start from the beginning when this order was passed of the maintenance.
Where is the impugned order
The
again?
impugned order is, sir, P12.
P12 page.
P12, page number 127.
तो आपने जो है this proceeding before the
JMFC.
civil judge you have initiated
Yes, sir.
for initiation of the criminal proceedings.
Yes, sir, because this is the execution order of the domestic violence maintenance, which is under section 31 of the Domestic Violence Act. Sir, on 25th of February, which is on page number 130, the respondent appears out of nowhere. He had been declared an absconder under section 299 of the
Which
CRPC.
order you are here?
Sir, page number 130,
No, this is 25 to 23.
25 to 23, yes, 25th of February 23. अभियुक्त करणदीप सिंह चावला की ओर से भूपेंद्र तिवारी उपस्थित and पुनश्च करके, then this person was bailed out. Without paying, sir, there were arrears of 12,75,000. He hasn't paid a single penny till date, and he was bailed out without any identification, without giving an opportunity to me to identify whether he was my husband or not.
He is not appearing before the court.
Sir, there were two parallel proceedings. One is the main domestic violence case, which is section 20 and 12 of the complaint. Now, this order, which is the maintenance order, is an interlocutory order of that same case. Same are run parallel on the same dates. Now, he's appearing in the main case, like his advocate appears, but here the execution case, the advocate doesn't appear because NBWs were issued.
Advocate is appearing or he is appearing in person? That
No, advocate is appearing. He resides at Bombay. So, he doesn't come here in person.
the advocate can be prosecuted.
No. Here on 25th, he has come himself.
Here the court has issued the warrant.
Yes, the court has issued warrant. Perpetual warrant was issued.
What do you want?
Sir, now.
The court has issued warrant.
Sir, but now he has appeared before the court on 25th February.
It can be done. But suppose
Sir,
he is appearing through advocate.
No, he has appeared in person to get that perpetual warrant cancelled. Now my arrears stand at 12,75,000. He hasn't deposited.
You go in that proceeding.
Yes, sir.
One proceeding he has initiated under section 13.
Yes.
So you like one proceeding which has been initiated by the husband himself.
No, I have initiated under section 12 of the Domestic Violence Act, sir.
Which proceeding has been initiated by the husband?
No proceeding. He has just came to get the perpetual warrant cancelled on 25th February because there was issue.
This is arising out of maintenance proceeding.
Maintenance in the Domestic Violence Act.
Domestic violence.
Yes.
There is no other case pending.
There was pending. The divorce has been dismissed at its present under appeal.
Filed by the husband.
By the husband in this court. In Highcourt it's pending.
Dismissed.
Yes, it has been
In the
dismissed.
High Court it is pending.
It is pending, yes, the first appeal.
You file application before the High Court for dismissal of that first appeal also.
Sir, I have done that. Now on that also.
But nothing can be done in this miscellaneous petition.
But sir, the officer, the protection officer who was supposed to get some amount deposited, because in the light of Rajneesh versus Neha, if the husband is not complying with the orders of maintenance, how can he seek a relief to get the warrant cancelled and without affording an opportunity?
So you go before that court for dismissal of that case which he.
Sir, I went, but she has not ordered in that case. She has just kept that IA pending. Now, if you could call for the records, I'm just praying this before this.
Suppose he doesn't deposit the amount
Yes.
of maintenance,
Yes.
then the proceeding which he has initiated can.
That is what I have moved in application. Now that JMFC.
But here what we can do?
Sir, now in that impugned order, because there was no amount deposited, she did not even levy any conditions upon him, only just because, you come here on every day and only such basic conditions.
What is the effect of this order?
Sir, now I'm just telling you, sir, if you could please turn to page number.
You directly come to 131 because this is the impugned order.
Sir, if you could just turn to page 53, sir, I want to.
Warrant of arrest has been issued.
Yes, it has been issued, but now cancelled.
Again.
Now cancelled because he came in personally, gave his deposition that he will appear before the court on every hearing. So warrant has been cancelled.
Warrant has been cancelled, and when he has put in appearance?
On 25th February, that is the same page I was telling you.
So he has put in appearance, so then seek that amount of maintenance.
But that judge is not ordering on that IA. She has kept it pending, sir.
Where is the another order where you have applied?
I have just put that application. She has taken it on record, not moved any order. If you could call for the records, because I applied for the certified copy, but because of the strike, I did not get it.
After issuance of arrest warrant,
Yes.
the court has cancelled
Yes.
upon his application.
Pending before the JMFC, if that could be ordered.
I think this order is in your favor.
Yes, but
Cancellation of arrest warrant is in your favor because he has appeared and previously you were searching him.
yes, sir.
Where is he?
Yes.
Now he is within your reach.
Yes, sir. That is true, but
You should not kill it. You should not.
one more sentence could be written, sir, that the lady to pass orders at the earliest or without unnecessary adjournment, sir, because she has adjourned my matter thrice. I was appearing in person, there was no lawyer needed.
अभी मैंने चूंकि डीबी के लिए भी ऐसा ऑर्डर लिखा, अभी यहाँ पर मैं कोई ऑर्डर नहीं कर सकता. Wait for some time.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Next.
Serial number 10